Good morning. Myself, Borsha Sapre, representing the Sigma Electric Manufacturing Company. I am working in the Sigma A5 plant, which is situated in the Chakkani MRTC Phase 2. Regarding the Industry 4.0, we have started our journey for Industry 4.0 in 2019 with Easton, with a few of the machines. We started with the 6 machines, where we try to monitor the OEE losses, 16 types of losses. And when we completed these projects, we got the excellent result over that. The OE was improved, losses can be accountable, that can be easily monitored, that can be analyzed, that can be taken the countermeasures. After that, we have found that the 2 to 3% OE increment. So considering the result of the implementation of the Industry 4.4 for 5 machines, we have increased the machine to 45 numbers. Not only that, we have implemented the same concept in the other processes, that is the paint shop. In paint shop, we have the critical processes. Monitoring of the some critical parts is very important for the quality point of view. So we did the excellent work along with the installed team. They understood our concepts, they implement their knowledge, they implement their skills, and we have come out of that problem also. Now we in the paint shop, we are monitoring online monitoring of the all the processes. We can monitoring the productivity, we monitoring the OEE, we monitoring the rejections, and also we can get the trend of the past batches also. That will help us to track the production, track the quality, and improve the performance and delivery of the customers. Regarding the install team, excellent supports, understanding is very good, backup with the resources, and they are very free to discuss all the point. They come up with the solutions, they have worked with the solutions as well as the commercial and technical point of view. And I recommend you before you should overall experience, I said that you can go for the Industry 4.0, and if you thinking go for the Industry 4.0, you at least once call the install team to get the supports, get their idea, get their proposal. You will find that you will never miss the install team in your Industry 4.2 implementations. Thank you.